everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina, and I just recently posted a homemade Oreo ice cream. And I noticed you guys really enjoyed that recipe, so I wanted to share with you all another homemade ice cream. If you know me, you know that my favorite ice cream is chocolate chip cookie dough. So of course, the next homemade ice cream I am going to be sharing with you all is going to be that. Once you guys make this ice cream and realize how easy it is to make at home, you're never going to go back to store-bought ice cream. Before I get started, please hit that red subscribe button so you won't miss out on any new recipes. And I would love to have you here on the channel, and let's get started on this ice cream.
First, you're going to cream together 1 stick of butter and 1/4 cup of sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and give it a quick mix. Now you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of flour and continue to mix. Add 1 cup of mini chocolate chips and mix with a spatula. Now you're going to scoop out the dough.
So after scooping out the dough, if there's some that you don't really care for their shapes, you can just shape them more into a ball. This makes 25. You just noticed that my husband just snuck one. So I have 24. So we're done with the dough right now, and let's start on the ice cream.
Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whip together until stiff peaks for about 5 minutes. Add in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and whisk together until fully combined.
So now you're going to put 10 cookie doughs aside, and then the rest of them you're going to just put into the mixture. And then get a spatula, and then you're going to just gently mix it together.
I ended up adding some more of the dough, so if you like, you can always add some more. Now pour in a metal pan. A glass pan would work as well, but the metal one would freeze the ice cream better. Then top it off with some more cookie dough. And top it off with some mini chocolate chips. Then you're going to cover and freeze overnight.
So the ice cream has been freezing overnight, and I have my baby girl with me, and we are going to give it a taste. You ready, baby girl? Yeah. Yay! Here, you want a bite? Take a bite. Oh, you want to hold it? Oh my goodness. You want to take a bite? Mmm, yummy. Yum, yum. Alrighty, so we're going to go eat some ice cream. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for my next video. Say bye. Bye. Before you guys go, if you haven't had a chance to check out the homemade Oreo ice cream, it'll be right here. And if you want to see another easy recipe, it'll be right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye.